Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will download and install Orange tool, which is an open source Python based machine learning and data mining toolkit. So just search Orange tool in Google and you will find this link, which is https orange.biolabs.si. I will provide this link in my description, so don't worry about it, and just download this from here. Download but Orange. You will see here for this Orange tool is for different platforms: Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Okay, so download it, and once you download it, you can see I'm using Mac OS, so that's .dmg file, which is about 900 MB size. And when you click that downloader file, you will see these different steps, and once you follow those steps, then you have to just click and drag this Orange to your application folder. I have already done that, so I'm not doing this right now. So let's open Orange tool. Let's see how it looks like. So here you will see the welcome window. You can select a new your workflow, or open your previous workflow, see some tutorials and the examples. And this is your canvas, and you these all are widgets. You just have to click and drag your widgets to your canvas or double click it. You will see here, and if you want to delete this, then select and right click and remove. Okay, you can also rename this. First select and then rename. uh, this is my data. Okay, and if you want to load your data to this file, then double click it, and here by default I have selected the hard disk data set. You can browse your data here, and you can see this supports the .tab format. Tab format is also called TSV, and the full form of this is tab separated values. Okay, so you can load your own database here, and then once you have selected data, and if you want to view your data into table format, then you have to just select this table format and link this to data table, and double click your data table. You will find here your database in a table format. I have selected the color visualization, so means there are just two values, means the two main classes. So one represented as a red color and another one is a sky blue color. So that's it. First, this is your first step. You have to download and install Orange tool. In my next video I will explain about these different widgets, like for data, and for how to visualize your data in a different format, means in a different style, like a scatter plot and a tree view. And we will apply some basic algorithms, like a k nearest neighbor algorithm, or tree algorithm, SVM, and we also apply some unsupervised algorithms. So thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel to see these all videos. Thank you.